This EQ on the grey market will cost you about 200 bucks. This one, W492, right now at this point in time, 300 to 400 bucks. This one depends a bit on the dollar signs in the eyes of the seller, but about 500 to 600 bucks, and the stereo version goes for 800, something like that. But there's even something more ridiculous than that, and that is the ThEQorange. ThEQorange. Linear phase without compromise by MAAT, we say in Holland, for $990. 890 right now. No, I wasn't overreacting or something. It is really $990 listing price. And right now you will get $100 off. And the fact that the ThEQorange is an expensive EQ is actually something that they know and they will say in their marketing texts. There are many cheap and cheerful EQs out there. Most sound like, well, you get what you pay for, right? So that's where they say they are expensive. They tell about linear phase that they have pre-ringing and they have fixed it. Baggage-free contouring has no equal. Precision algorithm, blah blah blah. Clean and simple UI. Well, we'll see about that. A lot of features in here. Like, a lot. Really a lot. Equal delay at all frequencies regardless of the filter settings, perfectly preserving the time relation of harmonics in the original signal. It's not always necessary. There's also something like a creative factor. I mean, if you want to preserve time relationship, you're most of the times working with speakers or acoustics or stuff, you know. When I boost highs on an EQ, I change the relationship, the phase relationship of those high frequencies. What was it again? I think boosting was delaying it a bit, so making it come a bit later, like it's a phase change, it's not a time change. But someone explained this to me, that this is actually pleasant to our ears if something is a bit slower, or I don't know what I'm talking about. That's what these videos are there to prove. Inbuilt tone generator. Why should you need a tone generator in an EQ? Alright, so a lot of reviews and testimonials. I hope I will never end up in one of those. Or maybe I already am, but not because I chose to do that. Yeah, let me run the demo, because that will say more than all this marketing bullshit, and let's, you know, see if this is actually worth $990. Sorry, I cannot say that without shouting. I mean, $990. That's more than I pay for rent. Oh wait. Don't have a house. Yeah. Alright, so this is it. And that isn't very exciting, right? I mean, this doesn't look like the picture they are giving me over here. This doesn't look like this. Now they super enthusiastically say, try it now over here. And then I was expecting to get a license, but no, you're not getting a license. No. You need to buy their USB stick dongle, because that hasn't been sorted out yet with iLok. iLok is a central thing where almost everybody stores their licenses, but no! Not for MAAT. You need the Weeboo System CM stick dongle, which costs another $50. Dude, come on. It's $49. You get a $50 voucher. Duh. Now, I don't know what you guys think, but if I'm purchasing an EQ for $990, I don't want to purchase another thing to just get it working, because $50 is a lot for a dongle. So you also have to buy the dongle, but you get a $50 voucher. Okay, so you'll actually get it for free, because you can then use the voucher to buy the plugins. But if you want to try the plugins, that's actually $50 is what a normal EQ plugin would cost. So if they want to prove that they are so good, then they should at least make it able for us to try it out. Maybe with an iLok, but not like this. So yeah, $990. Not going to pay that for it. And also not going to buy a dongle for it. And I'm not going to request a license from them. And the reason for that is that you guys also cannot request a reviews license or a dongle or something. You guys have to buy it. The fact that I'm showing a plugin and showing what it can do doesn't mean that that's all there is. I always encourage people to also try it out themselves, to experience it themselves. I mean, everybody is entitled to their own opinion about things. And having the capability to try something out is the best way to show something off. Now, the only thing that I can show off right now from this plugin is how it sounds in bypass and how it sounds when activated. So let's do that. And that's the only thing I can show you guys for now. And yeah, I'm sorry I wasted your time with this, but they are also wasting my time. And probably yours as well, if you are interested in a $990 EQ. Now, this is how it sounds with the EQ on it. And this is what it sounds without it. So there's delay on it. Yeah, there's a strange delay. So if I need a delay plugin, then I can use this one for it. Good one. Awesome. Now, with that being said, I want to end this video over here. If you like this video, let me know that with a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, which I could expect, press that thumbs down button. And if you press it 2 times, it works more effectively. Now, for more content, check out my Patreon campaign. You will find it over here. Other public content is also available, and I will link one of my videos over here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next snake oil video, which probably will contain a working plugin. Thanks a lot for watching this one. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Bye bye.